hindi ko po mapigilang maiyak. Bilang malapit pong kaibigan ni Esnir dito sa loob, nasaktan din ako for him.
And seeing him open this up, I'm just so proud of Esnir.
Abangan bukas, isang mapusong paglalahad ng katotohanan.
I think some of you have known of me through misconceptions about me, and most of it is usually mayabang ako, red flag ako, or playboy.
I've gotten things like too young, and I've been underestimated a lot. I had to go through so many hard stuff to be who I am today.
Tagal kong pinag-isipan kung sasali ako ng PBB kasi hindi ko alam kung kaya kong expose yung buhay ko. So, actually, noong una nag-no ako eh. Kaya ko ba? Kaya ko mang i-open yung buhay ko sa tao, sa public? Eh, obviously, andito ako, so kaya ko. Tingin ko, eto na yung time para sabihin sa inyo lahat and to tell the world